How to find transaction history on Binance. This is quite simple to do, so let's jump straight into it. Now you want to open up your Binance account, and from here you can just go ahead and log in the account that you want to get the transaction history with. Right after, let's now go ahead and click on the account or the wallet icon. From here, click on the Spot wallet. Inside your Spot wallet, you then have your estimated balance right here. Beside that, we have the deposit button, withdraw button, and the transfer button. But lastly, we have the three dots at the corner of our screen. You want to click on the transaction history, and from here we will be able to categorize this the way we want to. We have the filter for 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or even customize the time frame right here. We also have the crypto, transfer, distribution, BNB, and more. More importantly, we have this button right here, which is the export button. We have the export transaction records if you need to download your transaction history, and you also have the export deposit history. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.